An FIR has been registered against the contractor of the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj statue in Sindhudurg, which collapsed on Monday, just 8 months since it was inaugurated. The statue was actually unveiled by the Prime Minister on the 4th of December in 2023 to be precise, and the FIR was filed against contractor Jaideep Apte and structural consultant Chetan Patil under several sections of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. The charges, though, include collusion, fraud and endangering public safety. The FIR follows a complaint by the Public Works Department which claims the statue's construction was of poor quality and the nuts and bolts used in the structure were found to be rusted. We have a string of reactions lined up for you. Listen in.
उभारला होता त्याचं कंप्लीट डिझाइन नेव्हीने तयार केलं होतं आणि मी कलेक्टरशी बोलल्यानंतर त्यांनी मला सांगितलं 45 किलोमीटर पर आवर अशा प्रकारचा वारा सुसाट्याचा वारा जो भोग होता आणि त्या याच्यामध्ये पुतळ्याचं नुकसान झालेलं आहे.
अब ये छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज के पुतले में भी ये सरकार कमीशन खाएगी? कौन है ये ठाणे का कॉन्ट्रैक्टर जिसके पास में करोड़ों के काम है? उसके ऊपर तुरंत एफआईआर करो, अगर तुम ईमानदार हो तो उसके ऊपर कार्रवाई करो, उसको ब्लैक लिस्टेड करो और छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज का पुतला पूरे फिर से उनके तरफ से ही खर्चा वसूल करके खड़ा करने का काम करो. हमारी मांग है इनके ऊपर सख्त कार्रवाई हो और वो तुरंत हो, ये मांग हम करते हैं.
अत्यंत गंभीर आहे. महाराजांचा पुतळा बसवताना या सरकारने काळजी घेतली नाही. सरकार त्याला जबाबदार आहे. सरकारने केवळ आणि केवळ पंतप्रधानांच्या हस्ते हा पुतळा उभारायचा एवढा उद्देश ठेवून इव्हेंट केली, पण मूळ महाराजांच्या प्रती जी काळजी घेणं आवश्यक होतं, पुतळा उभारताना त्याच्या बळकटीची, त्याच्या सर्वच तिथल्या वाऱ्याची, तिथल्या सगळ्या परिस्थितीची, याचा दुर्लक्ष करण्याचं काम झालेलं आहे. मी नेहमी म्हणतो की हे सरकार इव्हेंट सरकार आहे. यांना कामाच्या दर्जाविषयी देणं घेणं नाही.
जिस जल्दबाजी में लोकसभा चुनाव को ध्यान में रखकर सिंधुदुर्ग किले पर वो स्टैचू का उद्घाटन किया, मुझे लगता है बहुत ही घटिया तरीके से काम किया. छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज एक ऐसी युग पुरुष थे जिनके लिए थोड़ा टाइम देना चाहिए था, लेकिन चुनाव के लिए, वोटों के लिए छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज का अपमान किया.
In fact, take a look at these visuals on your screen at the moment. On the left side, you can see the statue was being unveiled on the 4th of December 2023. The Prime Minister present there. And on the right side of your screen, just about 8 months since it was inaugurated, on the 26th of August, the statue has collapsed. Just 8 months since it was inaugurated, as you can see on the right side of your screens, the statue has collapsed. It was unveiled by the Prime Minister on the 4th of December back in 2023. The FIR has been filed against the contractor Jaideep Apte and structural consultant Chetan Patil under several sections of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. Radhika has been tracking the latest developments for us. She joins us live at the moment. Radhika, local citizens and tourists we're hearing had previously expressed their concerns about the statue's deteriorating condition. And despite these warnings, including an alert from the assistant engineer of the project from the PWD, we're told no preventive action was taken?
Yes, absolutely. So that's what we are hearing, that locals, tourists had complained of this rusty structure as well as the shaky structure as far as this entire statue, 35 feet statue is concerned. Post which, of course, the PWD department also issued an alert, had in fact written letters to the concerned authorities to fix the statue, to fix the condition of the statue, which had developed a lot of rust ever since it was constructed in December 2023. However, no action was taken post this. There was absolutely no construction work that was carried out post it, which is what led to the collapse, is what the state government department officials have said. So therefore, at this point, PWD, they're saying that all the alerts were issued. Despite that, no action was taken. Now, of course, an FIR has been registered based on the PWD complaint. The FIR registered against the contractor as well as structural consultant over allegations of negligence as well as endangering safety of others. Of course, this has obviously led to war of words, with opposition blaming the state government for encouraging shoddy work and also erecting the statue in a hasty manner.